So welcome back, guys, to yet another tutorial series of our result management system, transferring it from Excel to SQL. So I've renamed the workbook, and I'm just trying to replace it in Notepad, and again because I'm quite lazy. So oh yeah, that reminds me, I'm going to say // I really don't want anything there. Replace all. Control AC, Control AV, run it. Why is this showing me error? Wait. Oh god. I was running the old one. Many apologies. And because it's the same name, and that's why it was showing me that. So I'll just do Control Z. Wow, I did a lot of stuff here. Discard. Okay, so it's busy. Let's see if it's gonna give me some error. Oh, no error, thank God. Now the reason why I did drop NA was because let me see, escape A to open a cell before. So if I say English, I think English.head, for instance. Let me not use head, I'll just say English. So it was showing me this NA, that is not null value, and that was really nice, and up to 1,400,000, that was really nice. So that was why I did the drop NA. So if I do bio, it's good, bio and run. Oh, okay, so this this doesn't have that. Okay, so this doesn't have that, but I thought it did have null values. Also, I think English was the only one that had that issue, but regardless, I'm going to drop null value, you understand, across. So the axis 0, that's across the rows, any null values across the rows. So I'm just going to run this like this. It is successful. I'll create an assessment folder where I can just run this. Which is interesting. So it has already created the CSV file for. So I really don't need the total, but I don't have the energy and time to remove that. All I just need to do is to save my file, my work, go back to MySQL and start importing. So I'll just right click, data table, the table data import wizard, browse, go to assessment, so unsolve, assessment, agriculture, next, use, so serial number, student name is student, CA is first CA, CA1, CA2 is second CA, exams is I forgot to add a course code. That reminds me. I forgot to add a course code. which, you know, I was really supposed to do that. I actually forgot. Yeah, that reminds me. Oh God. Anyways, that's fine. I can add a course code manually. Exams. There's no total, so I'm just gonna leave. Okay, so I'm gonna make shoot. No. So okay, this is cool. So next, show logs, complete, finished, and I can now go back here, run it. I can see my table. So my course code, I'm going to fill it manually. Oh God, it's going to take a lot of time. Anyways, that's cool. Do the same thing for the rest of them. Go to my browser, my directory. Now I do want to mention that the file I'm going to be sharing, you guys will have to create all of these things yourself, and like I said, it's not meant for it's not meant for beginner introduction to Excel, and no, it's not meant for that. This is meant for someone who has basic knowledge, working knowledge of data analysis, have skills with tools like Microsoft Excel, Power BI, possibly Tableau, SQL, and Python. So you don't necessarily have to be very good. Maybe you just finish your training and you're looking for some project to do to increase your skill set and have real life experience of what data analysts actually do. So this is meant for that kind of thing. So that kind of situation, sorry. Yeah, so I'm just going to import the rest, and gonna pause the video, and when I come back I think I'm done importing.